Hi guys, it's Gratsi and welcome to my first investment property tour. So the first area I'm going to show you is the kitchen. I'm so happy with this because before it was all brown and dusty and we made it all beautiful and white. So I'm so happy about that. My vision came to life. I did it with under £150. So yeah, and if you want more information about that, then stay tuned to the channel. But yeah, this looks unreal and I'm so excited about it. So as you can see, the kitchen looks super dated and brown. So what we did is use some gloss white vinyl to cover it up, and it just looks so nice and it's still very functional. It literally looks like a brand new fit kitchen, and we were so happy with how it turned out. The vinyl sheets were about £5 per sheet and we used about 7 of them to cover the whole kitchen. So I'm super pleased with how affordable it was. So this is the living room right next to the dining room. We have the communal space where the guests can chill out, watch some TV. I'm so happy with how this room turned out. We have some beautiful designer prints on the wall. I think that was just a beautiful finishing touch. It just makes the room a lot more warm, colourful, because it's majority grey and white, as you can see. That is the theme we're going with this place. And Desenio have a discount, which I will put on the screen right now, so you guys can shop and save some money. Desenio kindly gifted me these gorgeous pieces, and I think they just absolutely made this room transformation. They're actually having a 30% discount with my code Gratsi30, and I would highly recommend them. I also have them in my own apartment. I've used them for over a year now, and I just absolutely love what they do to a space. They have so many print options, and there's literally something for everybody. So I think they would make an amazing Christmas present for your loved ones. They also ship internationally, and I'd highly recommend. But yeah, I absolutely love how these prints turned out, and you guys have to check out Desenio. They have so many prints. I'm gonna get some new ones for my house as well. But anyway, I'm gonna show you a bit more of the living room. Okay, so now we are in the blue room. This is the main double room, and it's actually king, like it's actually a huge room, and I love how it turned out. So how it looked before was very much giving us magnolia, very much cream walls, very much nursing home. Not the vibe we're going for at all. So we painted it white, and now it just looks so much fresher, so much brighter. And what I'm proud about most is the doors. They used to be brown and then brown oak, very much wood effect. But now they're still a wood effect, but we vinyl wrap them in a white wood effect. So it still looks like a door, but it just looks so much more brighter. Like this room, like it's like the space has just expanded ×2. And I'm so obsessed with it. We also used some Desenio prints on the wall just to give it some color, and then we have these blue accent pillows and a beautiful velvet blue throw to just kind of tie it together, make it very homely. We also have these lovely towels, really good quality bedding. I also think that the grey carpet on the floor was a really nice touch. I was running out of budget and I couldn't really do the carpets, so I just decided to buy a carpet. It's actually very affordable. It was like maybe £20 for such a big carpet. Really good. But anyway, I'll link everything in the description. Most things I got from Amazon and eBay, so they were super affordable, really good delivery. But yeah, like I'm really happy. We're still yet to change the curtains. It's not perfect yet, but I just want it out there now. So yeah, super excited about how this place turned out, and the hard work really paid off. Like, I'm actually buzzing, man. Like, I'm absolutely buzzing. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. What's just crazy is that we got long-term tenants the very first day that we put this place online, and I could not believe it. I'm just so grateful that the hard work paid off, and in a whole pandemic too. So don't ever doubt hard work, faith, and believing in yourself. Like, you can do anything. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2, and pretty much similar to the first one. We kind of spruced this up with some white walls. That is the key, I feel like, from what I've learned. White walls just make everything better. We made this the green room because we just wanted to spruce it up, make it a little bit different from the main blue room. We used a designer print on the wall to just tie in the green theme, and I think it works so well. Like, I literally walked in today and I was just like, wow, it actually looks so good. If I was gonna stay here, I would be more than happy. So yeah, we have this green, and then we have some green candles just to, you know, add a little ambiance. And I will be changing the curtains, as I mentioned. They'll be grey. But yeah, we also have the grey carpet as well on this room and the white cupboards. I'm just so happy with how this turned out. I can't wait for guests to start arriving. And I can't wait to take you guys on this little journey with me. Altogether, to turn around this project, it took about 3 weeks, which is super quick. I'm so proud of myself. I got some help with putting the furniture together from my mom, my sister, my brother, and I'm so grateful for the help. Could not have done it without them. So that is room number 2 complete. So now we're in bathroom number 1. This is the main bathroom where the guests will come and do their thing. I haven't really had to do so much to this because it was already pretty good, in pretty good condition. So really what we just added are some gold accents here, a really nice black diffuser. It smells amazing, and I just put a little gold frame over there just to make it a little bit more homely for the guests. We also added some grey carpets just to break up the floor a little bit and make it look a little bit brighter, and we have a white shower curtain as well. So yeah, I'm very pleased with how this turned out. It's nothing crazy, it looks pretty lovely. Thank you so much for watching that video. That is come to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the place or what kind of investment it is, I would love to do more videos about it, but only if you guys are interested. So let me know in the comments. I'm so excited for this journey, and yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. Couldn't have been in this position without you guys, so I'm so grateful. And obviously shout out to God, because without him I am nothing, and that's on period. So I'm just super happy, super grateful, and yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.